iPhone 11 Trade-in Guide. Trading in your iPhone 11 is a straightforward process that can help you save money on your next device. Before starting, it's important to check the condition of your phone, research trade-in options, and prepare your device properly. Following these steps ensures you get the best value and a hassle-free experience. Check your phone's condition. Before trading in, ensure your iPhone 11 is in good condition. Most trade-in programs consider screen condition, battery health, and overall functionality. Research trade-in programs. Many platforms like Apple, mobile carriers, and electronics retailers offer trade-in services. Each may offer different values, so it's worth comparing. Estimate trade-in value. The trade-in value of an iPhone 11 varies based on its condition, storage capacity, and the platform you choose. Generally, it's worth between $200 to $400 depending on these factors. Back up your data. Before trading in, back up all your data to iCloud, an external drive, or your computer to avoid losing important information. Factory reset your iPhone. Erase all personal data by performing a factory reset. This ensures your information is safe and prepares the phone for its new owner. Check trade-in requirements. Some platforms may require you to include original accessories like the charger or box. Confirm the requirements beforehand. Complete the trade-in process. Once you choose a trade-in option, you can either ship your phone or take it to a store. After inspection, you'll receive credit, cash, or a discount on a new device. Trading in your iPhone 11 is a great way to save money on your next device while responsibly recycling your old one.